Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Confirm you have the Arctis Nova 7 and find the USB-C port on the left ear cup. Plug the original USB-C cable into a stable 5V/1A or higher power source because lower current slows charging. Once connected, make sure the headset is powered off to allow faster, cooler charging. You'll see the LED indicator change to show charging. If you have a charging dock, use its dedicated port instead of a multi-port hub for best results. Once charging starts, monitor the LED to understand progress. Solid often means charging steady, pulsing may indicate trickle or low current. Make sure you're using a reliable wall adapter or a direct PC port. Multi-port hubs can drop current and prolong charge. If you plan to use the headset during charging, be aware that active features or Bluetooth can slow charging. For battery health, prefer periodic top-ups rather than letting the battery fully deplete before charging again. When the LED indicates full charge or hasn't changed for 10 to 15 minutes, disconnect the cable and power on the headset to verify normal operation. If charging fails, try a different USB-C cable, another USB port, or a known good wall adapter to isolate the problem. Make sure the USB-C port is free of debris and gently clean it if needed. If issues persist, update or reinstall firmware using the Steelseries GG app. That often resolves charging recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.